Remove the source, curtain plate, orifice plate and skimmer to reveal the Q0. Then loosen the screw on the CEM cover. Then pull down the side cover and rest it on the pull-out drawer. Disconnect the high voltage connector by holding one side and twisting the other. Remove the vacuum fitting, which can be tight to remove. Remove the bolts holding the front end on and gently lay it down, taking care not to stress the gas lines or source cable, which is quite tight and fragile. To clean the Q0 rods, fold over a lint-free wipe and soak in methanol, then wrap this around a rod and push it back all the way, then pull it out in one motion. Do this for the other 3 rods, then wipe the back of the front plate to remove any dust and check the rods for any lint or dust. Put the front end back, carefully ensuring the guide pins are in the correct place and that no wires are caught. Reassemble the system starting with the vacuum fitting and the high voltage cable. Then the skimmer, the orifice plate and curtain plate. Replace the source and close the covers.